mga frennies! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video ay mag-unbox ako ng aking bagong partner sa pag-makeup at ipapakita ko na rin kung paano ito gamitin. So mga frennies, ito po ang aking bagong partner sa pag-makeup, ang Opulent Airbrush Makeup Kit. So mga frennies, na-unbox at na-assemble ko na ang Opulent Airbrush Makeup Kit. So let's try this! So before we start our makeup session, ay mag-i-skincare po muna tayo gamit ang Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water at ang Evian Facial Spray. I'm going to use my Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. And for her foundation, I'm using Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in a shade of 220. I also use Sace Lady Concealer number 2. And for contouring, I'm using Focallure Contour Stick. It's baking time, and I'm using Nichido Finnish powder in a shade of creamy beige. that's it. I'm going to use my Opulent Airbrush Makeup Kit, and this is a water-based foundation. The advantage of airbrush makeup is it's water resistant, means it's resistant to sweat and tears, and it's lightweight and it's full coverage. The next product that I will use is the Sace Lady Tinted Brow Gel number 1. Next is this Nichido Brow Gel. At para mas pak na pak ang kanyang contour at ang kanyang nose line, I'm going to use this BTLA Contour Palette. For her eyeshadow, I'm going to use this It's Your Skin eyeshadow palette ni Leticia Velasco by Glam Skin, Manila. And for the eyeliner, I will use Sace Lady Eyeliner Pen. And for her under eye waterline, I will use Everbilena Eye Pencil in the shade of black. And for her lips, I will use Loreal Matte Lipstick number 242 Rose Nuance. This is one of my favorite lip shade for my clients. And for the final touch, I will use Wet n Wild Rose 3-in-1 Setting Spray. I will proceed on her hair. I will use this Hair Treats Curl Defining Hair Mousse. To set her hair, I will use Gloss Hold Hairspray by Syoss. At para magmaladyosa ang kanyang ganda, I will use this Full Glam 28 inches hair extension by Mairmaid, Manila. So disclaimer lang po mga frennies, all the products that I use in this video ay hindi po sponsored. So this is the final look of her hair and makeup.